You can't wait your way into a better life. Taking control of your job search starts when you decide to act, today, not tomorrow. Manifesting without action is like joining a gym and expecting muscles to appear. You can't think your way strong, you work your way there. The moment you take action, you stop waiting for permission. Momentum is louder than motivation. So stop waiting for one job to save you. Take action by stacking opportunities. Job stacking turns waiting time into earning time. You align roles that fit your skills and schedule. Smart, not scattered. Keep balance. Don't overload contracts. Pick markets you can manage, and always follow fair, ethical work rules. Explore platforms like Mercor, Fiverr, Catalant, Malt, Upwork, and Remotely. Search once, apply twice. Know the setup. Some sites charge freelancers, others bill clients. Always check fee terms before you start. Manifestation isn't magic. It's clear goals plus action. That's how momentum becomes success.